What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. If you're new here, I'm Tonitra and you are in my garden. In today's video, we are going to be doing some transplanting of things that aren't working out where they are and putting some new things in their places. And by that, I mean swapping out these green beans for some Swiss chard and these collards that I'm not too crazy about for some nice peppers for the summertime. If that sounds like something you're interested in watching, let's get right to it. We've got our Scotch bonnet peppers here. I have 3 of those that I want to pot up. And we have some Swiss chard that looks like it's in need of some nutrients, so they're definitely ready to get out of this container. I think I have enough plants for the stackables. Let's go and look at those. Okay, so these are the greens that I had transplanted into these containers. I haven't had the time to just baby them because I have twins and I don't have that type of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these. We'll start fresh in the fall with some new ideas and things like that for our, fall vegetable garden. So we're gonna take these out. We're gonna pop our peppers into these. And then over here we have some green beans that are just not doing well, and they've done this before and I'm just kind of over it. When plants start to look like this, I just pull them out. I don't have time to be trying to wait to baby them and do this and do that. Let's just get some new stuff in that we know is going to do well, and let's keep it moving. So that's what we're going to do. So I am running out of space at my little garden desk. I feel like I need a seed starting area, and I know that's asking for a lot in this tiny space, but I feel like that's what needs to happen, because I just need a space where I can sit down and start seeds and transplant seeds just comfortably. And this is comfortable, but maybe under some shade for the summer. But just a thought. That probably won't happen, but just a thought. Hopefully I don't get bit up by fire ants, hopefully. So we're gonna start with the Swiss chard. I'm gonna pull all of these plants out of these containers and we're gonna put these ones in. Sorry. We're having a halftime ice cream break. So we got our Swiss chard and I put some worm castings. I scratched those into the surface of the soil. And this already has fertilizer and everything in it, so I don't need to add anything else. If I do, I'll add it as needed. But I am going to water these in with fish emulsion just to give them a nice boost of nitrogen. Whew. Okay, halftime is over. Finished our ice cream. It was divine. And now it's time to tackle these pepper plants. I'm gonna move these I'm gonna move these grow bags over here to this area and we're gonna pot those up. So that wraps it up for today's video. I hope that it was helpful. If you like this content, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.